Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2019 Toyota Highlander LE. It is going to be in the pre-dawn gray mica exterior with the ash cloth interior. And as far as our options go, this is going to be a 4-cylinder model with your clear protection hood and door package, as well as carpet mats and the phone charger for a total of $33,431. Gas mileage is 20 city, 24 highway, 22 combined. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Michelin tires. These are going to be your 18-inch alloys that you do get on the LE trim. And then coming around back, you do have a standard rear backup camera. Go ahead and press unlock twice on your key to unlock all your doors. And this one does have 28 miles on it, so go ahead and stick your key in the ignition and twist to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. And looking down in the hood, we do have a 2.7 liter dual overhead cam i4, making 185 horsepower, 184 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now for about $1,600 more, you can upgrade to the V6 option. Produces approximately 90 more horsepower, and you do get better fuel economy due to the 8-speed automatic transmission. Definitely an option to consider. And then there's also the hybrid powertrain available. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. Now before stepping in, open your side mirrors. They're going to be body color with your clear paint protection film, turn signal indicators, and they are heated. But we do have that ash cloth interior as previously mentioned. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat, and you do have your Highlander floor mats down there. Come to your door panel, padded cloth with your power windows, locks, and mirrors with door storage down below. Over here to the left of your steering wheel, you do have your automatic high beams, windshield wiper de-icer, and your storage. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel with your audio, Bluetooth, and voice commands over on the left, and then over on the right is going to be your 4-way D-pad for your center LCD, as well as your lane departure outlet with steer assist, dynamic radar cruise, and cruise on a separate stalk down below. Over on the left, automatic headlights, as well as your automatic high beams, and your tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and then over on the right, just those variable intermittent speed wipers and your rear wiper controls. Near your dash is all stitched and soft touch, and you still have your nice technology shelf down here. And this is going to be your base infotainment system, taking out sources, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to your car, you have various MPG data, and then setup is just going to be some of your vehicle settings. Below that, dual zone manual climate control with your fan speed, zones, and temperature right here, as well as that rear zone right there that you can activate. As we said before, that technology shelf that gives you cable run-throughs to your 2 charging USBs, as well as your audio inputs and a 12-volt. Snow mode and traction control off. Coming to your 6-speed automatic transmission with sport mode and manual shift. Rear backup camera right here. As we said before, V6 model will give you the 8-speed automatic. You do have the cup holders, nice huge armrest with plenty of storage in there. And then coming to your glove box, damped with your owner's manual and phone charger. Manually dimming rearview mirror, as well as your mirror and vanity lights on your visor up top, dome lights, conversation mirror, and sunglass storage. And so that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. Now coming to your second row, it is going to be covered in the ash cloth interior, belts for 3, and it does slide and adjust, so you can slide it all the way forward to make it easier for the front passengers to access a baby seat, or possibly slide it all the way back for the most legroom. Now hopping in that configuration, we do have plenty of room behind my 5'9" frame, plenty of footroom down below. As you can see, your rear climate zone right there, as well as 2 charging USBs below it. Up top, we do have our interior illumination vents and cornering handle. Door panel materials all follow through with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. So let's take a second and look at the third row. Now sliding that seat forward and coming back here, there's going to be a 3-seat bench back here as well. You do have cup holders on either side. You'd have the same lighting and vents up top also. So let's go ahead and check out that cargo area, and we'll wrap up our video. And coming around back, opening up your hatch, just press the membrane underneath your Toyota logo. As you can see, there is going to be a minimal space behind your third row, but it is super easy to fold down in a 60-40 fashion. It does expand cargo room vastly. You also can fold down the second row, completely flat to expand cargo room even more. You do have a temporary spare tire located underneath the vehicle with a little bit of storage right here. And so that about wraps it up for the cargo area. And that about wraps it up for this 2019 Toyota Highlander LE 4-cylinder. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.